Ross, I'm from the UK, and my journey started in April last year. Went to an open day in London, walked in and met the whole team. Head dentist, head surgeon, coordinators, everyone. I felt so at ease walking in there. On that particular day, I had a scan and I met with the head surgeon and had a full explanation of what I was going to need to have done to make me a smile. When I left there, I had a plan. I knew the cost, I knew everything what was going to happen. I knew how many trips I needed to make. It was, yeah, it was awesome. The biggest decision was then, when do I come, when do I start? So my first treatment was in May last year. I was here for 5 days. I had sinus lift, bone graft membrane. So easy. Obviously it sounds really scary, but yeah, it was very good. Everyone made you feel at home, made you feel welcome. It was second visit then. After that was November, where I had 6 implants fitted. Again, sounds scary, but honestly, no pain, so easy, well looked after. It was, yeah, fantastic. And then now, here I am on my final journey. I've had my crowns, I've had my implants, and yeah, here I am, here's my smile. Wow, amazing. That is amazing. That is fantastic, awesome, thank you. Brilliant, thank you. Would I recommend it? Highly. If you're thinking about it, then do it. Obviously, you're scared, you're anxious, but all that goes out the window. As soon as you land in Turkey, the team are there to meet you, take you to the hotel. Everything's done so easy, so smoothly, it's unbelievable. So yeah, feel free, get in touch with these guys and make a difference, make yourself smile. It's brilliant.